Hey folks, back again with another video. This time, we're diving into the world of investing, especially for beginners in 2024. For those new to investing, here's a straightforward guide. Firstly, don't hoard cash in your savings account. Instead, consider investing in stocks via an investment platform like Robinhood. It's user-friendly and offers fractional shares, letting you own a part of a stock without the full price tag. Another option is to put your money into a digital savings account or certificate of deposit (CD). These offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts. If you're confident and comfortable with more risk, consider mutual funds or exchange-traded funds (ETFs). They're great for long-term investing as they offer diversification at low costs. Remember, don't rely on tips or social media for financial advice. Always consult reputable sources like Dave Ramsey or Suze Orman. Also, start small and gradually increase your investment amount as you learn and grow more confident. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this guide helps you kickstart your investing journey in 2024. If you found this video helpful, do like and subscribe for more finance content. Cheers to smart investments.